Welcome to Animal Jam.
I don't want to be welcome to Animal Jam. Okay, so Sarah2326 /
Treble.
Yeah, she's like right here. Okay, what do we want to choose for the thing?
Do you want the underwater item? Oh, item.
We will be a penguin.
Click the arrow buttons to pick a
His
fun
name will be
animal for
Earl.
your animal.
Fiery.
It's Fury.
Fury.
Yeah, I don't know Fury. I'm not sure.
Goofy. Gross. Happy. Jelly. 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 Tiger.
Enter your birthday and tell us if you are a
My
boy
birthday.
or a girl.
Meow.
Then create a unique
Meow.
username and password for your account.
Meow.
Ask a parent for help if you need to.
No. I'm a boy. Okay. The username. This is gonna be awesome. Okay. We'll do Petrie's Trebs. Is that how you spell it?
Treble. Like, treble. That's how you spell it.
We're putting Trebs.
Petrie's Trebs, okay.
Or put it random. No, I'm just kidding. No, I'm just kidding. Okay, I'm gonna pause it and then put the password and then go on, okay? Oh, you stalkers. Almost there.
Information with
Blah
everyone
blah
online.
blah 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 blah. Yay!
Today, the
Shut up! What happened?
Oh,
Okay, there we go. No. Hello. Dang it. I a stalker. Dang it. LOL. Okay, bye-bye. Okay, I shall buy one of these.
Oh my gosh. Peter, what are you doing?
Buying a whole bunch of these.
Why?
Because when they become beta, then they'll be worth something and then they'll actually be rare.
Dude, this bracelet has big gems. Nice.
Dang it. Perfect. Then he waddled away, waddle, waddle. Then he waddled away, waddle, waddle. Till the very next day, ba 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 ba. The duck walked up to the lemonade stand and he said to the man running the stand, "Hey, ba ba ba."
Got any grapes?
Then he waddled away, waddle, waddle. Then he waddled away, waddle, waddle. Then he waddled away.
Whoa, sorry about that.
The very next
Are
day,
you
ba
saying?
ba 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 ba. The duck walked up to the lemonade stand and he said to the man running the stand, "Hey, ba ba ba, got any grapes?" Bye. Bye, bye, bye. Bye, bye, bye. Bye, bye. Bye. Bye, bye, bye.
Bye-bye.
Ergy nergy. Okay, I don't really know what to do.
We can make a den and make an animal. We can get up gems, save up gems.
Yeah, totally. Okay, let's try trading for these wings. Perfect. Told you this will come in handy.
I'm naked. decline. Ah! Oh my god. That is... Okay. Oh my god.
Ergy nergy.
Let's do the penguin more cute from like that creepy.
Okay. I have a choice that we can do.
Oh, I'm scared of this now. Oh my god. That really, like, recording because you're inappropriate.
Oh my gosh. Okay. Well, we're gonna do another video tomorrow on this. And yeah. Okay. Or maybe later. I don't know.
Bye. Boom.